Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to make some rough puff pastry. We're going to start off by adding some cold butter into some flour, and then we're going to rub this butter in. We're not going to rub it until it's all mixed in. We just want it to break it up, but it's still quite chunky like this. So you just mix it in, but don't break it up too much. You add your water in it now, and then you mix your dough until your water is used up, and then use your hands now to just gently knead the dough in the bowl, and then put some flour on your work surface and just knead it a little bit, and then roll it out about 3 times the length it was before. Get the bottom part and fold it into about 2/3 of the way, and then get the top and fold it over that. Turn this once, and that's called a book turn. When you've turned it, you're going to start rolling it again until about 3 times the length. Fold it again, book turn, and then we're going to put it in cling film and put it in the fridge to firm up. When it's firm, get it out of the fridge, roll and book turn twice more, and then it's ready for use like this. And then now you can use it, or you can put it in the fridge wrapped in cling film for use another time. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.